This is helicopter view from the second eruption of Akanaba.
As you can see, there are many homes down there. And many of the people in those homes would not survive. In that ditch, you can barely see that man. And on the other side, you can see all the rock. Your turn, Chuck.
Yes, there are barriers that they used to try and block off the lava, but it was no match. Then there were 3 eruptions
In the fence.
to the both sides and one down the front. Luckily, the homes in the back were not harmed, but they were flooded. Thank you. And here's Samantha Reinbolt with the news.
Samantha Reinbolt! Jenna.
Mommy, I turned it on. See? Hello. Okay. Hi, I am Samantha Byler, and our weather today is 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is our weather today.
Thank you, Samantha.
You're welcome.